What if I told you there's a business model that costs absolutely nothing to start, requires no inventory, no office, no employees, and no special degree, and people are using it right now to pull in $10,000 a month or more? You'd probably think I'm about to pitch you a course. I'm not. I'm going to break down exactly how this works, what the models are, and what it actually takes to get there. Most people believe you need money to make money. That's the story we've been sold our whole lives. Save up capital, get a loan, rent a space, hire people, buy inventory. Then maybe eventually you start turning a profit. That model works. But it's not the only model. And for most people starting from zero, it's actually the worst model to try first. The $0 business is built on a completely different foundation. Instead of selling things, you sell leverage. Instead of owning inventory, you own a process. Instead of having employees, you have systems. And the beautiful part is that every single one of these models has been proven by people who had nothing but a laptop and a Wi-Fi connection. Let's talk about the 5 models that actually work. The first one is service arbitrage. This is the model most people overlook because it sounds too simple. Here's how it works. A business owner needs something done. A website built, social media managed, ads written, videos edited. They don't want to hire a full-time employee. They want to pay someone to just handle it. That someone is you. Except you don't do the work yourself. You find someone on Fiverr or Upwork who does that work for $50, and you charge the business owner $150. The spread is your profit. You are the middleman. You are the project manager. You are the account relationship. And you never touched a line of code or edited a single frame. This isn't a scam. This is called an agency, and it's one of the oldest business models in the world. Marketing agencies, PR firms, staffing companies, they all run on this same arbitrage principle. The difference is you can start this with $0 today. The second model is digital products. This one is special because of a concept called zero marginal cost. What that means is simple. You create something once, and then you can sell it an infinite number of times with no additional cost to you. Think about that. A course, an ebook, a Notion template, a Canva template pack, a Lightroom preset, a spreadsheet, a prompt library for AI tools. Create it once, list it on Gumroad or Etsy or your own site, and every sale after that is almost pure margin. There is no shipping, there is no restocking, there is no storage. The product lives on a server somewhere and gets downloaded every time someone buys it. People are making $10,000 a month selling a $20 Notion template they built in a weekend. That sounds insane until you do the math. That's 500 sales. Spread across a year, that's fewer than 2 sales a day. With the right SEO and the right platform, that is completely achievable. The third model is affiliate marketing. This one takes the longest to build, but has the highest ceiling. The concept is dead simple. You recommend a product or service, someone buys it through your link, you get a commission. You don't own the product. You don't handle returns. You don't deal with customers. You just create content that sends people towards something they were already going to buy. The mistake most people make with affiliate marketing is trying to cover everything. The people making real money pick a lane. Personal finance, software tools, fitness, travel. They build an audience in that lane. YouTube, a blog, a newsletter, TikTok, and they recommend products they actually use. The commissions stack up. A single YouTube video that ranks well can generate passive commissions for years. The fourth model is what I call AI-powered freelancing. This is the newest model on this list, and it's the one with the steepest growth curve right now. Here's the idea. Clients will pay hundreds or even thousands of dollars for a well-written sales page, a batch of email sequences, a month of social media content, a business plan, a market analysis. These things used to take days of skilled work. With the right AI tools and the right prompts, a skilled operator can produce this work in hours. The client doesn't care how long it took. They care about the output. You charge for the output. This is not about lying to clients. It's about efficiency. A graphic designer who uses AI to generate concepts faster is not cheating. They're leveraging better tools. A copywriter who uses AI to draft and then refines with their own expertise is not less valuable. They're more productive. The market is paying for the result. Produce great results faster, and you make more money per hour than almost any traditional job. The fifth model is the one most people have heard of but get completely wrong. Dropshipping. Not the version where you list 500 random products from AliExpress and hope someone buys a plastic gadget. That model is dead. The version that works is niche dropshipping with a real brand angle. You pick one category, pet supplies, kitchen tools, outdoor gear. You build a real store around it. You write actual product descriptions, you run real ads, and you find a supplier who dropships domestically so delivery times are reasonable. The customer pays you pay the supplier ships the product. You never touch the inventory. Your margin is the spread. Done right, with good product selection and real marketing, this is a legitimate business. Done lazy, with random products and no brand, it fails every time. Now let's talk about the $10,000 math, because a lot of people hear $10,000 a month and think that's some mythical number that only happens to other people. Let's break it down for the service arbitrage model. You need 10 clients paying you $1,000 per month each. 10 clients, that's it. Each one gets a service package. Social media management, content writing, SEO, ad management, whatever you specialize in. You deliver that service for $300 to $500 using your network of freelancers. Your profit on each client is $500 to $700 per month. 10 clients times $600 average profit equals $6,000. Add in a couple higher ticket clients and you're at $10,000. The question isn't whether $10,000 is possible. The question is whether you're willing to make 200 cold outreach attempts to land 10 clients. Most people give up after 20. The ones making $10,000 a month sent 200 emails. Now let me tell you the mistakes that kill these businesses before they start. The first mistake is trying to do all 5 models at once. Pick one, master it, then scale. Spreading yourself across 5 business models means you're doing 5 things poorly instead of one thing well. The second mistake is waiting until everything is perfect. You don't need a logo. You don't need a beautiful website. You don't need a business bank account before you have any money. You need a service, a target client, and a way to get paid. That's it. Start ugly. The third mistake is underpricing to get clients. When you charge $25 for something that should cost $200, you attract clients who don't value what you do. They will drain your time, dispute your work, and pay late. Price at what you're worth and find clients who understand value. The fourth mistake is ignoring retention. Landing a client is hard. Keeping a client is easy if you do good work. A client who pays you $1,000 a month for 2 years is worth $24,000. Treat your clients like they're worth $24,000, and most of them will be. The fifth mistake is not tracking your numbers. You don't need complicated accounting software. You need a simple spreadsheet. Revenue, costs, profit. Look at it every week. Know your numbers. The people who don't know their numbers are always surprised when they have no money left at the end of the month. Here's the mindset shift that ties all of this together. You are not building a job. You are building a system. A job pays you for your time. A system pays you for the value it creates, regardless of how much time you put in. The goal with any $0 business is to get to a point where the system runs without you, where clients are retained, where products sell while you sleep, where content keeps generating commissions months after you published it. That's when $10,000 a month becomes 20, and 20 becomes 50. Not because you worked harder, but because you built something that compounds. You have everything you need to start one of these models right now. Not next month, not after you take a course, not after you save up some money. Right now. The only thing standing between you and the first dollar is the decision to start. Pick one model from this video. Spend 1 week learning the mechanics. Spend the next week making your first outreach or launching your first product. The third week, you're either iterating or you have your first client. That's the whole plan. It's not complicated. It just requires you to actually do it. If this gave you something to think about, hit like and subscribe to Fuel Your Wealth. We break down the financial strategies and business models that actually move the needle, the stuff that rarely gets taught in school and almost never gets talked about honestly. Follow Fuel Your Wealth for more. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research before starting any business or making any financial decisions.